This is Natural Selection, Lesson 1.6, Activity 1, the warm-up. If you are watching this video and you have not completed the warm-up yet, you need to stop the video, go back to Amplify, or go to Amplify, Lesson 1.6, Activity 1, and do the warm-up first. When you've finished the warm-up, come back to the video and watch the video. So this is a story that is the first of several that you will see in this unit. Sherman is the main character in all of them. Sherman always has answers to scientific questions, but they are not always carefully thought out or supported by science ideas. So the story goes like this. It says, look at the peppered moss, Sherman. If you look closely, you can see hundreds of them. Look at that. At first I just saw white moss with black specks, but look at all the black moss. They blend right in with the trees. Why do you think that there are so many more black moss than white ones? I think the moss want to blend in with their environment, so they each got darker to match the tree. So Sherman is making a claim about the peppered moth population. And his claim is that the moss changed because they want to blend in with their environment. So this is similar to one of the claims about the newt population, and that's claim 1. Claim 1 says individual newts became more poisonous because they wanted to. And this should seem kind of suspicious because we have learned that newts cannot change their traits just because they want to. Traits are something that you are born with, not something you choose. So the question is, how is this similar to Sherman's idea about the moss? Sherman thinks that the moss changed color because they wanted to blend in. However, moss cannot change color on their own, just because they want to. Just like newts cannot change how poisonous they are, even though it would help them survive. And this is just like in The Sim, when the Australopes had a certain fur trait. They can't just change their fur trait. You're born with a certain trait, and that is the trait you have. You're born a peppered moth that blends in to a darker tree because you have darker wings, or you're born with lighter wings and you don't blend into the darker tree. Traits are something you're born with, not something that you can choose to change.